What's going on, guys? This is Danny from Slow Restoration, and we are actually inside the cab of the parts truck. Someone actually reached out to me and asked about this rear sliding window. I had thought about taking it out before, but decided I really didn't have any use for it, so I just was going to let it go with the cab. But since someone was interested, I got my multi-tool, and we have started cutting this out. We got pretty much the whole top and the sides. Got a little bit left to do on the bottom, then we'll get this popped out. I think we just about got it. It was a fight, but yep, got it there. Let me set this thing down before we break it. And just like that, there's the back window. It actually wasn't just like that. It was quite a workout to get that out, but if someone can use it, I'd definitely rather someone use that, get some life left out of anything on this. So guys, if there's anything on here that you want and I'm gonna scrap anyway, feel free to let me know. You're welcome to it. If you're local, I'm not gonna spend the money to ship it to you, but if you're local and you want to pick it up, that's fine. Like I said, pretty much everything else on this truck, we're gonna pull the cab off, pull the transmission out, and we're gonna pull the radiator support out. The motor's junk as far as it has spun rod bearing. There are some good parts still on the motor, but we're not really going to worry about it. I have a couple more spare sitting around, so it's not like we need it. So again, if there's anything on here or actually any of the other trucks that I'm not using and you're interested in some parts, let me know. The worst I can say is no, but like I say, if we can get these parts to a home where they can continue life, might as well do it. All right, guys, we got that back window out. Like I said, I actually have not reached out to, it's actually Zach. I haven't reached back out to him yet. I just saw his post that he said he would like to have it. Hopefully he's local. Hopefully he can come pick it up and use it. It's not perfect shape, but it's a good usable back glass. I'm just not going to use a slider in my truck. So as you can see from the beginning, we did get the John Deere. It's sitting outside. We did get it here, and we're getting ready. Well, we don't have time today to take the truck out, move both trucks, get that truck outside and pull the cab off, and then we'll actually bring it back over here on the lift and get the torque converter bolts out and the underneath stuff done, and then get that transmission ripped out. And then it's off to the scrapyard for that. So if you need anything else off, I'm not just going to give all of my parts away, but if I'm not going to use them, like I said, you're more than welcome to it. You just need to either come get them or pay for shipping, either way. But just a quick video, so thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.